Hugo Calendar Review, Meeting Notes for Remote Teams. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today let's talk about Hugo Calendar app. It is a meeting notes app that's perfect for your remote team, giving teams one central place to share meeting agendas, share collaborative meeting notes, and organize everything about your meeting based on who attended. Plus, with integration with over 20 plus chat, CRM, video conferencing, and project tools, Yugo enables the world's best companies, including Netflix, Twitter, Slack, and Shopify, to manage their meetings with efficiency and transparency. So, this software is the ideal knowledge management and team meeting note solution for businesses of all sizes and in different industries. So to start with, let's first check the pricing plans for this software. And over here is the pricing plan, and they have three different plan here. Starting from the basic plan, it's perfect to start managing your calendar, notes, task in one place, and this basic plan is for free. And you can have up to 10 users, unlimited docs and tasks, integrations, and templates. Next is the Pro plan, and it's perfect to make your meetings more productive for the whole team. So just for $6 per user per month, and you can have everything in basic plan. Plus, you can get premium integration, share your templates, user groups, and live chat support. The third plan is the business plan. This include more advanced features and additional support like form fields, calendar insight, rules, permission, and admin tools, training, security, and more. And for you to get this plan, you need to first get demo. So here you can start with a free plan if you want to explore and experience the software first to see if it will suit your needs. So to create an account, just click on this button, Get Yugo for free. Then you'll be redirected to this page where you can select to sign up with your Google account or with your Office 365. Let's sign up with Google account. This is more easier. And then let me just connect my Google account here. And once connected, just complete your profile information here, like your team name, and then your rule. Then add your agenda templates here. So let me keep marketing weekly, campaign kickoff, campaign planning, and also let me add quarterly planning. Then hit next. So over here, you can invite your friends by giving their emails, or you can just copy this link and send to your team. And once done, this is now the Hugo dashboard. So from your dashboard, you have your calendar here and also your scheduled meeting. You will see it here if you have one, and also your task, and you have Scratchpad here for you to write something like your thought, task, or reminder maybe. So Yogo offers a wide variety of features to facilitate fast-moving teams in managing and organizing their meeting notes for easy access, from the creation of meeting agendas to the indexing and storage process of valuable meeting insights. This includes meeting notes search. With every team meeting, you can be certain your meeting notes are secured and searchable. For easy access later on, this feature allows you to transform your meeting notes into robust, centralized intelligence through automation. Also, notification and reminders. It make your team meetings better and more accessible by making processes more lightweight and efficient. You can configure the system to set reminders and send out notifications to stakeholders, team leaders, and those assigned to create the meeting agendas. And also, knowledge and meeting notes sharing. Knowledge or meeting notes sharing enables those who are not in the room during the meeting to still be able to acquire valuable insight, learn about the decision and the actions taken, so they will always be in the know. This function is ideal for fast-moving organization with remote employees working outside or in different country with different time zone. So if you have staff member in different time zones, they will still be able to get the knowledge they need even if they can't participate in the meeting, as the meeting notes are shareable. And also meeting agenda and note template library. Hugo Team Meeting Notes has a wide selection of more than 20 agenda and note templates in its library. It also has a user-friendly template builder, so you will be able to create your own custom meeting note template to suit your needs perfectly. Just like, for example, the campaign planning template. So this is our template here. So this template is ready to use for you. So just click on use in meeting so that you can make use of this template, or you can simply create your own template here. So you can just click here, new template, for you to create your own template. There are many benefits to use this software to facilitate your company and or team meetings that includes meeting focused, organize and share valuable information, team collaboration, and more. And by the way, with the free plan, you get the pro features. So you have the pro plan here for 22 days for free. And after 22 days, if you will not be processing any payment for the pro plan, then that's okay. Your plan will be automatically downgraded to the basic plan. And also the software interface is so simple and easy to use, as you can see here. On the left side corner here, you have different tabs for meetings, tasks. My draft is for the meetings that you created and unfinished. And for team documents here, and of course you have your own document here tab. And here you can invite your teammates, and also you can see your templates here. And under enable apps, this is where you can see all the third-party applications or app that you can integrate your Yugo account. And also under what's new is where you can see the latest updates about this software. And you also have your help and support here. If you have any question and need assistance, then you can directly contact their support team. So for conclusion, Yugo Connected Meeting Notes is a software solution designed to facilitate corporate and team meetings. It serves as a centralized platform for your agendas and all your meeting notes. It promotes collaboration and transparency through calendar-centric tools and application. So this software supports an impressive number of third-party integration as well, from CRM systems to help your desk solutions. As such, you should consider this as one of the better options if you're in the market for a solution that centralizes meeting notes from one feature-filled hub. So you may go ahead and visit their site, hugo.team, for you to explore and experience this software. You can go ahead and create your account. So that's all for today's video. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thank you for watching.